Hey guys, Adam with Hennessey Performance. Typically, y'all see me out here reviewing some of our amazing vehicles, talking about our inventory products that we make here at Hennessey. Today we got something a little different. This has been my project, baby, for quite some time now, and figured we'd bring you in on it. I got this car, I think it was 2014, as a daily driver for me. I've always been into cars, obviously. This was a really cool car for me to get, the E46 chassis. I've always loved it. I always wanted the coupe. And so I picked this up, tinkered with it for a little while, did the really basic stuff, coilovers and wheels and, you know, carbon and things like that. Moved down to Texas, drove it here for a couple of years, and then the engine went out on me. And so I figured if I'm gonna be buying a new engine, I'm gonna put a cool one in it. So working here, obviously, LS platform was the engine of choice, and put this together. It's a 5.3 iron block bottom end out of a Tahoe, running a factory Tahoe computer. And then everything else about it is Corvette LS6 intake manifold, Corvette accessories. I did get a little carried away on my birthday one year and got a centrifugal supercharger system for it, and that completely transformed the vehicle. I'm obsessed with the noises it makes. It ended up putting down about 600 of the rear tires, and so there is no traction control due to the M3 rear end that it has in it. None of the connectors would line up, so there is no traction control, there is no ABS. It is a 6-speed T56 manual transmission, long tube headers, no cats, to a 3-inch wide pipe, 3-inch single out the back. So it is as loud as it could be with the supercharger blow off. It's just an overwhelming experience to drive, and I absolutely love it. So when making power on this thing, I got a little carried away. Obviously I need the air-to-air intercooler up front, and cut anything else out of the way that didn't need to be there for me to fit the intercooler. And I found out after the fact that I had cut apart the radiator support that the hood latches too. So there's no hood on it, and I had to choose either between running a hood and no intercooler, or intercooler and no hood, and obviously intercooler won. Honestly, I have had the most amazing conversations with people. I have met the most amazing people at gas stations, you know, grocery store, wherever I drive this thing, because they can obviously see what's going on. Stoplights, people will pull up next to me. I've met some, like I said, you know, amazing people and had a lot of great memories from the fact that it has no hood. So I really have no plans on fixing that.